on our bucket list to visit is Disney. In Japan, they have Disneyland and Disneysea, and they offer different kinds of attractions. Some say that Disneyland is more catered to kids, and Disneysea is more for adults. And that's why we went to Disneysea this time. But we will come back in the future to visit Disneyland next time. As you exit Maihama Station in Tokyo, you are already in the Disney Resort area. You will need to ride the Disney Resort train to go to either Disneyland or Disneysea. They look so cute and colorful. Enter the Resort Gateway station on the left side after entering the Disney Resort area to get to the train. The train leaves every 3 minutes and goes around in a circle with 4 stops. The Resort Gateway station, where we are right now, Disneyland Station, Bayside Station, and lastly, Disneysea Station. Inside the train, it is decorated with Mickey Mouse themed items like these. There's so many people already outside before opening time. I believe we arrived an hour before the opening, but there's already so many people. You can look at the different trains that they have in the resort while waiting for the opening time. Good thing is, even if there's a lot of people lined up, the entry to the resort is fast and seamless. The people are also organized, no pushing or getting ahead of other people. And as you walk inside, you can slowly and gradually see the iconic volcano in the middle of Disneysea. Amazing! It's so enormous, and the ships are also nice. The first ride that we want to try is the Indiana Jones Adventure, the Temple of Crystal Skull ride at the back of the theme park. You can already see it from afar. The line was quite long even though we entered at opening time. Even though the line was long, the place was amazing. It really feels that you are in Indiana Jones Adventure. And in less than an hour, we got to our ride. We wanted to go next to the Tower of Terror, but before that, we saw this ride called Aquatopia that has a small line. We immediately went and lined up for the ride. This ride is quite chill and is very good with kids. The mobile that we are in follows a track underneath the water. It can go fast or turn you around. Definitely a more kid-friendly ride. By the time we finished the ride, it was almost time for the Disney show. Unlike in Disneyland or Universal Studios, where there would be a parade going around the streets, the show here in Disneysea is in the water, and they will go around to the audience. By November, there would be already a Christmas-themed show. What a nice show! Now, it's time for the Tower of Terror. It's gigantic. And the waiting time was 2 hours. It was so cold because the wind was blowing so hard. You can skip the line with an express pass if you'd like. It took us around 1 hour and 30 minutes before we got into the building, where there would be another 30 minutes of waiting for the ride. Wow, that was amazing. Unfortunately, no footage inside the ride. The next ride is the Raging Spirits. We got a pass entry into this ride using the Disney app, which I highly recommend for people going to Disneyland to install to your phone before going here. You need to register to an account to use this app. You can see the line queues in the app, including how long you will wait in the line. It also includes location of toilets and snacks like popcorn and hot dogs. The Raging Spirits ride is a roller coaster ride with a 360-degree turn. It's beginner friendly and not too scary. And because of the Disney Pass, we only waited 15 minutes before riding this one. After that, we went to Agrabah, which we thought was weirdly located in Disneysea instead of Disneyland. And we rode Jasmine's flying carpets here in this area. This one is also a kid-friendly ride, which is like most of the rides here. Nice murals from Aladdin inside the line. And after the ride, we saw Jasmine. We were super hungry and all the other restaurants are full or have a lot of people waiting to get a seat. So we went here in the restaurant in Agrabah and went for the flying carpet curry. Not a lot of line, maybe just 5 in front of us and the cashier. We of course got the curry and this yummy lassi to pair with the curry. We also got curry popcorn since that is the theme of this lunch. There's a lot of empty seats in this restaurant with amazing food. Next area we walked into was the Kingdom of Atlantica, where Ariel from The Little Mermaid is from. This is near the last place we went, which is the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Unfortunately, I got bad footage here since it was quite dark. Unfortunately, we had to go back earlier than expected, so we didn't see the fireworks this time. But we went souvenir shopping instead. One day was definitely not enough to go to all the rides inside DisneySea because of the enormity of the place and the waiting times. We will definitely come back for more. And that's all for today. If you like this kind of video, please leave a like and subscribe as I will be posting more videos like this soon. Thanks for watching!